In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Session Indicator on TradingView. Before we begin, a quick overview of what we're setting up. A session indicator helps you visualize different market trading sessions right on your chart, such as when the Asian, London, or New York sessions are active. This is useful for spotting recurring patterns and volatility, identifying when volume typically increases, and understanding how price behaves across different parts of the trading day. With that in mind, let's walk through the setup so you can see these sessions at a glance on any chart. First, head over to TradingView and open the chart you want to work with. You can use any symbol and time frame. The process is the same. Once the chart is open, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It's usually found on the main toolbar above the chart. Click it to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you'll find built-in tools, community scripts, and your saved favorites. Inside the Indicators window, locate the search bar and type the word Session. Typing this keyword narrows the list to indicators related to session timing and display, making it faster to find what you need. You'll see a few results populate as you type. Next, navigate to the Technicals section in this window. This section contains built-in indicators and standard tools that are maintained within TradingView's default library. Click on Technicals to filter your results so you're looking at the built-in options rather than community-created scripts or other categories. This helps ensure you're adding a straightforward, reliable option that will work consistently. With Technicals selected and session entered in the search, you should see a session-related indicator appear in the list. When you find the one that matches what you're looking for, simply click it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You'll typically notice colored backgrounds, highlighted ranges, or labels that correspond to the different market sessions, depending on the specific indicator you chose within the Technicals category. From here, take a moment to observe how the sessions line up with price action on your chosen time frame. If something doesn't look right, make sure your chart's time zone matches your local preference or your trading plan, since session boundaries are sensitive to time settings. You can also revisit the indicators window at any time and repeat the same search if you want to try a different built-in session display. That's all there is to it. You've added a session indicator to your TradingView chart, giving you a clearer view of when key market sessions are active and how price tends to behave during those periods.